Alright, hi guys, my name's Jordan Collins.
And I'm Kaitlyn Gilbert.
And we're in Sister Haynes' Econ 200 class.
And our topic for you is utility maximization.
And to show this, we are planning a trip to Disney World! Woo! We're finally here! Yay!
We made it to Disney World.
We're so excited.
So exciting. It took so long to get here.
It did.
And we're going to be great.
We're just going to have so much fun, but we're so excited to apply utility maximization to our favorite thing in the world.
Disney.
Disney. So, if for those of you who don't know, utility maximization is...
Well, it's basically utility analysis, and here's a little definition for you guys. It's making choices with the aim of attaining the highest feasible satisfaction, and that is utility maximization.
There we go.
Yay!
Okay, hey, so we have this awesome 6-day vacation.
Yeah.
And we just need to decide which park to go to.
Which one?
I know. There's so many of them.
Yeah, so there's 4 parks here. So you can go to Magic, Hollywood, Animal, Epcot. So we drew a little chart out. And as you can see, Magic Kingdom and Hollywood Studios are tied right now at a total utility of 10. So I think we're going to go to Hollywood Studios first because that
Sounds
one,
good.
not so busy, not too crowded this time of year. And then if you want to look at the bottom down here, we have our whole week planned out according to the utility chart that we made. So let's go to Hollywood.
Yeah, that makes so much sense. That just by looking at this chart, we can decide where we'll be happiest for the week.
Yeah,
awesome.
Let's do it. All right, so now we're here in Hollywood Studios, and we have to decide which ride we want to go on first.
Sounds good. And I see you drew up a handy little utility.
With our top 3 choices here.
All right, it looks to me, as you guys can see, the Tower of Terror has the most utility, then the Rock and Roller Coaster, and then Toy Story Mania. And so if we want to have the most utility, we're going to do that order.
So let's go to Tower of Terror.
Yeah, that sounds good. But
all right, but first we need to decide how many times we want to ride this ride.
Right,
Should we get
that
fast
makes so much
passes,
sense.
wait in line? I don't know. So we're going to figure this out by going over marginal utility. And marginal utility, that is the change in total utility due to a 1 unit change in the quantity of a good or service consumed. And we have our little equation down here of how you can figure that out. And you do it by the change in total utility divided by the change in the number of units consumed.
Perfect. That sounds awesome.
So now we have another little chart here for us with our marginal utility on there for our Tower of Terror ride.
And so for that, we can see that total utility just keeps going up. We can see that if we write it once, it's 20. If we write it twice, it's 30. And 3 and 4 is the same. And we can see that there is where we have our max utility with 36. And then, which gives us 0 marginal utility. And it starts decreasing after that. And another way we can look at that is we just drew up a little chart.
Little graphs just to show it out better for you guys. So on our total utility chart over here, you can see that first it is rising, and then as soon as we get to our max utilization, it stops right there and then it starts going down. So that's where we reached our max. And then on our marginal utility chart over here, it's constantly going down because marginal utility goes down, total utility rises. And then as soon as it hits 0, that's where we reached our max. And then any more rides after that, we'll just start decreasing in our marginal utility.
Perfect. So let's go ride.
Yeah, and
let's
we'll just
go
ride
do
it
this
3 to 4 times because that's when we reach our max.
Perfect.
Yeah,
This is awesome. The Tower of Terror is so much fun.
It's so scary.
I know. I'm just thinking I'm hungry. We should do Italian.
I agree. So let's go find a place. So
Okay.
we have 2 choices here. We have Pizza Planet or Mama Melrose's.
And so let's just see the utility for Pizza Planet. If we go there, it would be 20, and Mama Melrose would be 15. So I'm thinking we should do Pizza Planet.
Pizza Planet, definitely.
But we definitely always have to account for the change.
So if Pizza Planet were to change their price, because right now it's $6, so we're going to go 4 times during our stay. But if they were to raise their price to $8 per pizza, we're only going to go 3 times.
Oh, that makes so much sense.
Yeah, so after they change their prices, this would be our new total utility chart.
So it seems that Pizza Planet has 15 and Mama Melrose has 20.
So if they change their prices, Mama Melrose's.
Right, because it's a nicer place. But
Yeah.
I'm thinking we should stick with Pizza Planet and test it out and make sure.
Let's go try
All right,
it out.
let's go try. That was so much fun.
Okay guys, so we had so much fun on our Disney World trip all because of using our total maximum utility.
Exactly. Next time we come to Disney, we're definitely going to do this. I
Yes.
mean, it just makes so much sense.
Definitely helped out, and we hope you guys learned something. Now you know about marginal utility, total utility, all that. So now you can apply it to your lives too.
Perfect. Well, have a good time at Disney
Yay.
next time you go. Bye, guys.